Phil Betts is here from Monmouth College. He's the Director of Admissions. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, and you know, it's that time of year where a lot of young people, high schoolers and their parents, are looking through the internet and catalogs and visiting colleges because, hey, it's that time to make sure that you get into the right college. And we have some tips. So generally speaking, just generally speaking, what do you tell parents and high schoolers about the college visit?
Students should try and come and visit during the week when school is in session.
Not during the breaks.
Not during breaks, not during summer if at all possible. I know you sacrifice some convenience when you do that, but to me, visiting a college when school is not in session is like going to an amusement park when all the rides are closed. You can walk around, look at all the fancy rides, look at all the fancy buildings. But if you can't actually experience it, then you're not getting a real good taste of what the college would be like for you.
Gotcha. So we have some bullet points to help the parents and the high schoolers out. Best time to visit we're talking about is during the week when school is in session. Next one, ask questions relevant to you. What do you mean by that?
So there are a lot of people, teachers, counselors, parents, friends, grandpas, uncles, whoever, who will give you questions, unsolicited advice many times. But if
ask them about my old fraternity.
Yeah.
And if they're still there.
Exactly, yeah. And maybe Greek life is of no interest to you whatsoever. So you should come with a list of questions before you arrive, and questions that are very relevant to you. The ones that, if you really care about food, then ask about food. But if you're really interested in an art major, but your parents are pushing you to biology, ask the art questions because that's what you're really interested in doing.
Gotcha. All right, number 3 on the list. I think we like this one. Act like every college you visit is your number one choice.
To me, this is a lot like when you go out for job interviews. You may interview for 3 or 4 jobs, and you know there's one that's your dream job. But if you treated all the others like they were second best, you may not get the second choice job if you don't land your first job. And then
the feedback you might get might be a self-fulfilled prophecy.
Correct. And it's way better if you show more interest in the college. It's just human nature to show more interest in you as well.
Gotcha. All right. And number 4, let's take a look at our list. Parents should let the students take ownership of the visit. Come on, Mom and Dad. Don't hog the interview time.
Yeah, that's right. Students should do the most that they possibly can. Go online. They should set up the visit. They should be calling ahead, making the arrangements for the visits. They should come again with the questions already, and parents.
So not just on the visit, you're talking about letting the student take ownership of the process.
Yes, I would say from start to finish, and then when they're there in our office meeting with the admission representatives, mission counselors, they should really let the students drive the conversation. And on the car ride to the campus, the parents should be coaching up the students so they're not coaching them while they're in the office.
Gotcha. And let them drive even. Hey, and then finally, create a file for each college you visit. This is like the post-visit, right?
Correct. So many of the seniors now have probably already visited a lot of colleges, and I hope that they already have these files created. But this is a great place to come back to in March and April at the end of your senior year, pull out all of your notes and compare and contrast, because you might not remember what you did in September. So for juniors who will be starting to visit here real soon, most likely spring break is a great time for juniors to come and visit. To create those files, take very copious notes so that you can revisit those later on in the year.
All right. Thank you very much, Phil Betts. And for more information, if you want to get in contact with Phil at Monmouth College, you can go to monmouthcollege.edu. We're headed to a break. When we come back, we'll check traffic, and Sandy has a look at your current temperature.